Alrighty guys, Mark Delamy here. I have another unboxing for you guys. I picked it up at GameStop for pretty cheap and I had to add it to my collection, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So let's get started. Put it up a little closer. Cut it open. Alrighty. Front of the box. The side. And there's the back. And the other side. Let's go ahead and take off the slip cover. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. Kind of have to push this far away from me so it makes it a little harder to unbox. Alright, so we got the figure right here. The statue comes with. Put that on the side for now. Let's go ahead and see what the rest of the box has. Another box. Alright. Now we're talking. Looks like a monkey. And a camera. Okay. So I guess that's all that's in there. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. See what else is in here. Hopefully no more tape, because that's always a struggle. There you go. Get a quick glance. And I opened the wrong way. Okay, let's go ahead and go on the bottom. Alright, right here we have the art book. Go through here a little bit. Show just a couple pictures of the pages. I always like getting art books in my collector's edition. I have quite a bit. Maybe one day I'll show you guys my game room. And the Steelbook. Oh yeah, it's a nice Steelbook right there. Has that little holographic. Try to get in the video. There's the side. Let's go ahead and open it up. So we have a couple discs and the soundtrack, I believe, on the back. Yeah, there you go. Really nice. Goes in my collection of Steelbooks as well. What else is in here? Ooh, what is this? What the heck is that? Go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, it's his mask. I think. It's pretty slim to try to put over you. Unless there's a way to... Yeah, it's supposed to be his mask. I wouldn't try to put that on though. Yeah, that's all that's in this box. Let's go ahead and look at the statue. Oh, these things. I used to hate these things when I was a kid. Really nice detail on this figure. Try to get a closer look on that cell phone. Alright, let's see a better look. Well, that was everything that came in the Watch Dogs Collector's Edition. We got the art book, the statue, the game, the soundtrack, the mask, and the steelbook. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like. If you want to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.